So phase 2 is happening in Singapore, the unlocking of Singapore, phase 2. I can finally ship some books that people have bought and have been waiting, and I couldn't ship because the post office was closed, everything was closed. But over the weekend, you know, things were allowed to open in Singapore, and we're semi back to normal. It's good to go out and see like shops are open, and you know, some people are out and about. Actually, it's good that actually not that many people are out yet. But anyway, I'm gonna ship some books today, finally, after waiting for so long. So I'm shipping 4 books, 4 of my books. My photo book cookbook, 100 Daughters, 100 Patients, 100 Meals. This first one is going to Japan for Kosuke and I, who bought the book when I did the live session with Anshika. After that, they bought the book. Domo, arigato, Ai and Kosuke. Hope you enjoy the book. I'm just gonna sign it now. I saw on the news that Japan is kind of unlocking as well, so it's good to see. Things are still a bit rough in India. I think the numbers are still crazy, and I think the whole country, the lockdown was extended. So, I mean, fingers crossed that you know things will be okay. Congratulations again to the person that won the book during my live session with the Offset Projects. I'm sending it today along with Anshika's books. This one is for Anshika. She bought 2 copies, one for herself and one for Offset Project, the Offset Project Library. Thanks Anshika for supporting. I signed your book. I'm sending you some flowers as well, 3 flowers. If you hear any weird sound, that's because my wife Diana is sitting right next to the camera eating her 2-minute noodles. Hopefully this box fits. Acha! TK! Hey, I just messaged you. I'm packing the books to ship, so I need your address. I'm gonna head down to the yeah, send it to me now because I'm gonna head down to the post office. All right. Finally at the post office. Social distancing. 1 meter apart.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
I got 2 registered mail.
Registered mail. Overseas?
Yeah.
India? You send how much?
1 to India and 1 to Japan.
This one you need to sign here and item, content, value.
The shipping rate's all still the same, right?
Shipping rate, yes, but then it will be delayed also.
Delay, right?
Delay very long, oh.
Very long.
You can up to 1 month plus or 2 months,
I have no choice.
No insurance, sir?
No.
No insurance, so this one is on top here.
Oh, okay. Okay, done. Shipped. Thanks again, Kosuke and Anshika. Hope you guys get the book. Not too late. The lady said there might be delays. Hopefully there isn't, and it'll get to you in good time. Thanks again.